As the Maverick gets back into the full swing of things this evening, as we speak, the historic Gold Cup doubleheader is in progress at the National Stadium. And I want to point to a certain issue relating to the inclusion of Bayer Leverkusen young star Leon Bailey in the Jamaica team. You all remember that when all the controversy was dominating the space about Bailey's attitude and his reluctance to play for Jamaica, and that all the utterances between Craig Butler and the JFF, the theory was that the Jamaican players who were already in the camp would have a major problem with Bailey coming into the squad, because of all the disrespectful things that were being said, and that it would cause a bad vibes in the camp and Ray and Tay. Well, you all notice that Bailey has been in the Jamaican camp for at least a few weeks now. And from what we hear, all the ball of them embrace and welcome him with open arms. And that the vibes in the camp is great. Which again goes to show that sometimes people just talk for talk's sake. The fact of the matter is that Leon Bailey is turning out in the Jamaican colours tonight. And all is well that ends well. And talking of talk, I can't talk no more this evening. Because I have to go up a stadium to watch Jamaica and Leon Bailey taking care of business against Honduras. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow.